The difference between the average person and a millionaire isn't knowledge, it's not luck, and it's definitely not talent, it's identity. Millionaires don't just act differently, they think differently. They've hypnotized their subconscious to believe success is inevitable. So the real question is, how do you do the same? Let's break it down step by step. Understand this, your mind is already hypnotized. Most people are already hypnotized by their parents, by school, by failure, by struggle. They've been trained to believe money is hard. I'm not good with finances. People like me don't get rich, and that belief becomes reality. Your brain isn't built to seek truth. It's built to confirm what it already believes. If you want to become a millionaire, you don't start with action. You start with identity reprogramming. Install the Millionaire operating system. This isn't about affirmations in the mirror. It's deeper than that. Millionaires run a different mental software. Here's how to install it. Visualization rehearsal. Every morning, close your eyes. See yourself already living the life vividly. Feel the confidence. See the bank balance. Feel the room you're in. The brain doesn't know the difference between real and vividly imagined. You're not just daydreaming, you're creating neural certainty. This is how elite athletes prepare. It's how peak performers build inevitability. Loop a hypnotic identity statement. Pick a phrase that reflects your future self, but speak it as present truth. Not, I will be successful, but I create wealth with ease and discipline. Say it out loud, every day, slowly, morning and night. Use triggers to activate the millionaire mind. Your subconscious responds to symbols and patterns. Millionaires train their brains with triggers, a specific chair where they only work on income-producing activities, a watch or bracelet they touch before closing a deal, a playlist they use to enter a deep focus money mindset. This builds what's called a neurological anchor. Your mind learns, when I do this, I shift into millionaire mode. Start small. Pick one trigger. Train it daily. Rewrite your money narrative. Here's the truth. If your subconscious sees money as stress, guilt, or evil, you'll sabotage yourself every time you get close to it. So ask yourself, what were you told about rich people growing up? What emotions do you associate with money? Where did those beliefs come from? Now, rewrite the script. Literally. Write a new money story. Example, money is a tool for expansion, freedom, and impact. I use it with purpose. I earn it with integrity. Reread it daily. Morning, most suggestible. Before sleep, most receptive. Take action. That reinforces the identity. Here's the part most people miss. Your brain only believes what it sees you do consistently. You can say the affirmations, visualize the life, but if your habits still reflect fear, doubt, and avoidance, your subconscious calls BS. So start small. Track every dollar. Invest 10, no matter how small. Study one wealthy person's biography per week. Sell something, even just once. Each action is a vote for your new identity. Repetition plus action equals hypnotic reinforcement. You don't become a millionaire by chasing money. You become a millionaire by becoming a person who builds wealth automatically. That starts in the mind. It starts with the story you tell yourself, the triggers you train, the self-talk you loop, and the actions that match it all. You're already hypnotized. The only question is, by what? Follow for more strategies to rewire your mind, build wealth, and master life. Because once the subconscious believes, the results are just a matter of time.